everyone. I am here to give you some of my reviews on this new video doorbell that I just got, and I've been looking for one, and after watching some videos and other reviews, I came up with this, and I ordered it online on Amazon. It has a good reviews compared to others. Well, I'm searching for a cheapest one too, which I don't need to pay monthly fees on this, and all I need is to see outside who's knocking on my door. And so I'm gonna give you some tips on this one, and I found that the rest have some issues, and also the other video doorbells that it's more expensive and does not work. So anyway, this comes with this is it. This is the box, and it comes with a video doorbell, the USB cable. Don't have the wall charger, but just that. The indoor chime, the user guide, and some tools, and you have an option to screw it on the door outside, or you can just use a 3M tape. I don't know how strong this is, if it will hold it, but I have my other tape. I'm just going to put a tape in here, and so that's that. This is for the tools, and this is my wall charger, so it does not come with a charger. Anyway, when you get it, you have to charge it for about 8 to 10 hours. The charger is here, and it will tell you if it's already charged when the light turns blue. Indication light here on this one. And this is the reset button here on the right side. You have to use this. It's your charger, and it's easy to set up. After you charge it, then make sure that you're close to your Wi-Fi router. It only works for 2.4 gigahertz. So after you charge it, you can download your app from the phone, and it will tell you step by step how to install it with your Wi-Fi. Set up your Wi-Fi, and then I run a test. So this is the camera, this is your motion sensor, the speaker here, and your doorbell. And I tested it just earlier, and it works. And the only thing that doesn't work is the motion sensor. So I don't know if I want to return it or keep it. All I need is to see outside if somebody's knocking on the door or using the doorbell. But I won't be able to see if there is somebody's outside with the motion sensor not working. Well, also, it comes with the SD card built in there over here. So so you don't have to pay monthly fees if I just want to use it as a doorbell. Okay, so I think that's about it. And if you have a power bank, which I have used this power bank, and you don't have to want to take it out inside your house to charge it. It says the battery lasts from 1 to 4 months after you charge it. So it's either you just take it out and charge it, and that's easy, and you don't have to unscrew. Only there's a screw here, and that's about it. That's all I need. It's that simple. Okay, so I hope you will like this video, and please give it your thumbs up. Thank you. Have a nice day.